Hey there, it's me again. And I had the pleasure of introducing for this next set Sonic Boom Boom doing a form, the photogravure with a little bit of modification tonight, but it's going to be really fun. And they're just going to go ahead and start. So I think we're ready for the photos, Ander. Everybody go ahead and come on up.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Well, we're gonna have a real good time. My pony, which is, and also because I have a degree. I have a degree in pony riding, and I am going to tell everybody what to do because I'm the only 3-year old in town who has a degree.
Well, in my life, things can often go wrong when it has to do with being graceful and coordinated. And so I went horseback riding once and maybe was on it for 2 seconds. And there are other things where it just turns into a real shit show.
I'm looking at an animal. It reminds me of when I dressed as an animal, which was a gorilla, and I delivered birthday balloons. And I took my kazoo to play happy birthday on the kazoo. I went to a picnic and did my thing and left. And a man came chasing after me and he gave me a banana. So the mask worked fine. I could swallow that whole banana and then leave. And he was tickled.
After completing and publishing my first and only collection of poetry, I became interested in the narrative form and I started exploring different genres. And the one that I gravitated to the most was the Western. And I got up to the title of the book, which was Yippee Ki Yo, and that was as far as I got. It ended my career as an aspiring novelist.
I just love being on horses. And then once I went onto a horseback riding camp, and it was just so fun and so, I don't know, I just felt so special. And I got to ride on this horse but I was jumping though. They taught us how to jump the horses, but I fell off and I was hanging on around the horse's neck. And then all of a sudden I just fell off, but he didn't trample me.
When I was a kid, my parents, they liked to take us to, special enrichment things. And I remember they took us to ride on ponies, but I had a pony that would not move. This pony it sat there. So the whole time, the people who worked there were really trying to get the pony to move. But it was a very sad experience because it literally moved like 2 feet the entire time.
Oh. Well, so it was thanks. I mean, I'm really, I'm just really nervous about Thanksgiving.
The holidays are such a difficult time to be alone.
Oh, I
Margaret.
know.
I haven't perfected being alone at Thanksgiving. I understand your nervousness.
Well, you know what? But I went ahead and I invited just people I saw on the street that I don't know. And so it looks like about 35 people are coming. And I don't know, So I'm hoping that you would come over to cook because you like to cook. For
You
35
did
people.
what? 35 unknown what?
People.
I've been trained to be alone for Thanksgiving, and I'm really getting down my skills in doing that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that's all right. You know, I was just hoping that you'd make it 36. I mean, I don't want to throw a guilt trip on you, but really the reason I invited these 35 people was for you.
I'll do the cooking and deliver it to you. You enjoy them. I'm going to be alone.
Okay.
All right, you just get on that horse and I'll coach you through it. Anime, you'll do fine.
I'm kind of nervous.
Well, I see you're feeling a little rocky. I don't want you to feel insecure or anything like that. I'm there for you.
Okay, this is my first time on a horse.
Oh, I can see that. Now, if you can at all, you got to turn yourself around because you're facing the wrong way on the horse. That's the first lesson.
Oh, 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 oh. How do I do that?
Well, I have faith in you. You can work that out. Now, you can find the head, and it's different from the other end. There you go. Good job. Yeah, you're looking the right way. That's progress. I see you're struggling.
This is not gonna work. This is
I
really
see you're
hard.
struggling. Yeah, you can do fine. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you, Anime.
Oh no! This animal is very fierce.
I did pick the fiercest animal that we had in the paddock. I trust you to be able to handle it, Anime.
It's large. It's strong. It's not okay.
It's true. It is true. It is large and strong, but you are too. You know that, Anime. I see you're thinking in the right direction. I can tell that.
I am
Now,
large.
I'll tell you, when you get yourself turned around,
Yeah.
I'll put a dime in the meter and you'll do fine.
Okay. You'll put a dime in the meter. Okay. Great.
45 on 45 on a winner today, 25 on yesterday's child, and $400 on I'll win.
You got it, buddy. $400. Oh my God. You sure you want to pay this kind of dough out? I see.
Lenny, I got some good news. I got a good tip on this one.
Maybe so, but you ain't won in like, what is it, months now? He ain't. You. I don't know. Okay. Whatever you want. I'll
Why
do
do you
what
always
you
bring
want.
up my failures instead of my successes?
Been
I've won a
coming in
whole lot.
a whole lot. What was that? 48 cents last week and 22 another. I'll put them on. I'll put them on for you.
To add them all up, it's I haven't lost that
45
much.
cents. Yeah. Okay, you like to do this. I guess everybody's got a hobby.
Well,
There's everybody else. Thank you, Jude.
I love pregnant pauses.
I do too.
who's pregnant?
You are. No.
Hold your horses.
Oh, okay.
See what I did there?
There's the picture. Mine again. I am brilliant. I am full of knowledge. If you'll notice, I have got a look on my face like I am in control. I'm controlling the horse. I'm controlling the person who put me on the horse. There's only one thing I'm not in control of. I got a pee-pee.
I'm inside her pocket again. She takes me everywhere. It's her lucky charm. I really wouldn't rather go on this horse ride today, because it always ends up in a real problem, and she falls and breaks a bone, and then we end up going to the emergency room.
This riding concept makes me think of when I went for a ride of sorts by ice skating with my cousins, and I was going very fast. They knew what they were doing, and I did not. I was in about fourth grade. It was at Fox Lake. They owned a resort, their family, and so we were there on the frozen ice, skating around faster and faster, and I fell down and stabbed myself with the back of my skate. So I had a nice hole in my leg. And then 2 days later, my next to year and a half younger sister twisted her knee when she was ice skating, and she had to go home too.
Back, when I had a fiance, she was really enamored of horseback riding. I, had trouble getting on the carousel, but she was really into live horses and said, let's go to a ranch and ride horses. Well, not wanting to reveal the level of wimp that I was, and her assuring me that it was a very romantic setting, I went forward to do that. And all I can recall was spending a day doing this and finally crawling off the horse, butt sore, and going, romance is just not in my in basket.
I was quite young. My father put me on a carousel. It really wasn't something that I was cut out to do. It was dangerous, and I would just ruin this tweed. I just don't believe that this was something that children should be doing at all. Needless to say, he screamed at me to grab the ring. I did, fell down, and never did what he said again.
Looking at this picture, I'm looking at the young person helping to guide the little child, and I'm remembering being a camp counselor and how much I preferred to be with the older kids. I started out with the 6-year-olds, and later it was so much more gratifying to work with the 10-year-olds who had a brain.
I don't think that these 6-year-olds are ready for for horseback riding. I think they're too young.
Agatha, I could not agree with you more vociferously. I'm sure they're too young.
I'm sure so too. I've seen them fall. I've seen them hurt themselves. This is ridiculous. We've got to tell the camp manager this isn't going to work.
Agatha, I'll follow your inspiration anywhere.
I know that Mildred she thinks she's the head of everything. She's not going to listen to us, and we might even get fired. But I appreciate that you got my back. I appreciate it very much.
Agatha,
Yeah.
you should be in charge. I'll follow you.
That's a great idea. I think I could take over.
What? Wait, which is a great idea? You in charge or me following you?
Both. And let's round up a few more people. Let's round up a few more people. It's like a mutiny. This camp's being run by idiots.
Oh, you could manage idiots like nobody's business.
Absolutely. I'm the head idiot manager.
Are you ready?
I am just as ready as I'll ever be.
Good. It's time to get going.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Yeah. You want to go first? You can go first if you want.
Oh, no. You go first.
Oh, well, isn't that sweet of you? That's wonderful. Um, okay, why not? You want to? Should we go together?
Oh, no. You go first.
No, we're going together. So I figured, yeah, I mean, we are going together. Okay. You want to go together?
No, you go first.
You don't really want to go for. Yeah, but you came up with the idea first.
I'm the idea person.
You really are. I mean, I am smart as I'll get out, but you're the one that came up with the idea, so you should go first.
You're the risk taker. I'm the thinker.
You know, Marcy, I just want you to know that I just want to give you the opportunity to go first. I don't want to go.
Okay, fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
I mean,
sure.
I could go first if you said, but since
No,
you
no,
already
no.
volunteered, you'll go.
I'll try the new cereal. No problem.
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa! You just look fantastic, Muriel. Wow!
Wow, I never thought you would say that.
Oh,
and-
I can't get over it. You're like a totally changed. Wow! Hot damn!
Whoa, you have some strong feelings about this. And I'm taken aback. I'm speechless.
You scared the shit out of the cat. Oh, you look like $1 billion.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. I didn't expect any of your reaction, Karen. I think, wow.
I can't wait to go out on the town with you, Muriel.
Well, I'm there. I got my purse packed already. So thank you, Karen, for wanting to go out on the town with me.
All right. Oh, it's going to be great. We won't get far because every place we go, people are going to stop. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to say, wow.
Oh, I want that, Karen. I do. I want that. These are all new ideas. I've never experienced this
Just
before.
soak it in. Soak in the adoration. Yeah, you're just like a being from another planet. You're so amazing. Wow.
Do I seem to have pointy ears and antennas?
No.
I'm starting to wonder now what you're really thinking.
No, you just light up a room. You could light up a highway.
So I look a little electrified to you?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, electrified is right.
That means my hair is probably sticking out from the electricity in
It's
the air,
edgy. I
the
would
dry
call it an
air.
edgy style. Yeah. Wow.
I don't know what to think now. I'm getting mixed messages from you, Karen.
No, no, no. You're just looking the best you ever looked. Get rid of the puss that you have on you, and then you're looking the best you ever. There it goes again. That's better.
Thank you, Karen.
You're welcome. Gotta go.
Hey,
You go first.
have you ever gone horse riding?
Yeah.
Would you like to go on Tuesday night with me? Night riding?
You want to know if I want to go horseback riding with you on Tuesday night without you knowing whether or not I liked it when I did it. Is that right?
I was jumping ahead in the conversation, I guess.
Yeah. I like the part where you asked me to spend Tuesday evening with you in some manner. The horseback riding is a deal breaker. Just saying.
Okay, I'll come up with another activity on Groupon, Sal.
Great.
Oh, this ice storm is impossible to walk through.
Yeah, I know. I keep trying to get my footing. Whoa, hold on to me. Hold on to me.
I'll do what I can.
Ow. Ow.
I think I'm lost again.
Oh, you take a left and then a right and then straight ahead and then you're there.
I tried that 3 times. 3 times.
Or then you turn around and try it all over again.
I turn around.
Turn around, try it all over again.
All right.
Aren't I right?
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. That's right. Try it all over.
All right. I'm gonna try that now. Left, right, turn around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Left, right, turn around. Everybody.
Left.
Left,
Right, left,
right,
turn around.
Turn around. Okay.
Right, left.
And
Right,
turn
left.
around. And
Turn
turn
wait a minute.
around. For every
Swing
season.
to the right, swing
That's
to the
300.
left, clap your
Yeah.
hands. Check, check, check. I don't know.
I don't know. Is
Well,
that 360 degrees or?
60 degrees or 360 degrees.
Not Czechoslovakia. Just not
It's not a deal breaker.
Not
Czechoslovakia,
Czechoslovakia.
boom, huh?
That's our show.
That's our
It's
show.
our show. Okay. So
Guys, introduce yourselves.
With number
Intro-
1.
That's
Introduce
David.
I'm
Yourselves.
David from
Introduce yourself.
Amesbury, Massachusetts.
I'm Don Sloman from New York City.
I'm Joan from the planet Pluto.
I'm Jude outside Seattle.
I'm Lynn from Rotunda, West Florida.
I'm Michelle from outside Boston.
And she is the last in the alphabet tonight. So that means I'm Nikki. And thank you for watching Sonic Boom Boom. Guys, you all were great today. Horseback riding. That was a picture of Xander.
That was.
Oh, thank you, Xander.
Xander in Cohonson, New York, when he was at the horse farm. Used to be an old Jewish summer camp. And they turned it into and they turned it into a dude ranch. And we spent a week there. We spent a week there. That was awesome. So anyway, Thanksgiving's coming up. We have 2 more shows. Ramen on Sunday follows, and then Gelman Make a Movie from their class on Sunday. Don will be back there for that. Thanks, everybody.
If you want to join the 35 people at my place for Thanksgiving, you know, you're all welcome.
Can we do takeout?
Yeah, you better. You bet you.